Yes, the sidewalks are a little bit treacherous on some parts of Regina here. Getting a little bit deep over here. One thing that's really great about Regina is the fact that they keep the trails relatively clear so people can walk throughout the winter in most areas. That snow you can actually walk on top of. It's so hard. It's packed. Well, I saw some ski trails up here and I thought it was all packed down. Last time it was. But I guess this is all fresh snow. A little extra deep on this side where the wind blows the snow off the lake. Talk about a winter wonderland. Thank goodness for the Royal Saskatchewan Museum where you can take a break in the park. But I thought I was going to trip over the snow here because it's so bright I couldn't even see what I was walking on. But it's clear, trust me. It's only a few inches deep on the path. I thought it would be fitting to make my last stop the ice bar at Bodega, since it's probably the last snowstorm of